that good. I've never let it stop me. I'm gonna kick off with a Richley song. It's called Burning Sound. If you ever heard, you got the wrong idea. I'm burning the case. Don't care, 'cause you know just what's what, and what goes where. Otherwise, they're running fools, what you there. You see, there's always no to shine. We got behind you, bring you out. Living in no wrong. Yeah. Cause all you want is fun and sound to come from the heart. A fun and sound, yeah, right from the start. We gave you a love release. Hey, what's all this? You've been around and twist. You've been there for shit. But I believe, no, you're there around. But you can't carry out a woman leave. Well, you leave. But that's when my straight lies. But I can't see through all the try. Having no birds. Oh man, you know it. You can't do it. Cause all you want is fun and sound. Come from the heart. A fun and sound, yeah, right from the start. They gave you some kind of race. Just live fun and sound. You feel down. Well, maybe feel like you could go on forever. And it cheeks. Well, if you make a guitar solo, like. You see, that's where my strength lies. Well, I can't see through all the try. Having no birds. Oh man, you know it. They can't do it. 'Cause all you want is fun and sound to come from the heart. A fun and sound, yeah, right from the start. I gave you some kind of release. Yes, please, fun and sound to make you feel down. Well, maybe feel like you could go on forever. Never cease. So we run a record store, and I did make a record order, and you're going to do a song or two from that, if you don't mind. You better not mind, because I'm going to do it anyway, right? But I made a record earlier this year because I was a bit annoyed with what was going on in the political world. And I'm not quite Bob Dylan or Charlie or even, actually I am a bit like Wolfie. Is it Wolfie Wishy, you know? Wolfie Smith, yeah. This one's called Consequences Coming, because I think it's beginning to happen, and I'm quite happy about that. But before I go too far, I'm a big fan of Ramsey Lewis. Do you know Ramsey Lewis? Well, I'm in crowd. Hey, watermelon name. All instrumentals, but one of the good things about it, everybody claps along nicely. That's a hint. look into my eyes. I want you to look into my eyes. Want you to see that all is right. Want you to cut me down the side. No matter how low that you sink, they never stop and start to think. Take a look into my eyes. Take a look into my eyes. I ain't gonna take this lying down. Go ahead and spread the word around. But I can see some consequences coming out of them alive. Ain't never gonna climb my style. Ain't never gonna climb my style. You know what you think of your world. You know what you think of your world. See, I'm connecting all the dots, and I'm a picking the knots. Ain't never gonna climb my style. Ain't never gonna climb my style. Oh no, ain't gonna take this lying down. Go ahead and spread the word around. But I can see some consequences coming out of the damn line. Hey, 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 a little one, a shot across your bow. You know, I feel something's gone in, a common sense somehow. Hey, 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 I get this feeling that's gonna be regrets. Well, get it, good, take it out of my reflect. Oh yeah. Pick up the traffic now again. I know they could complicate it, you just cut through it, man, you know. It's right, just cut through it. So while you look into my eyes, take a look into my eyes. Ain't never coming down the side. Don't ever cut me down the side. Oh no, ain't gonna take this lying down. Spread the word around. I can see some consequences coming out of them line. I ain't gonna take this lying down. Spread the word around. I can see some consequences coming out of them line. You can see that consequences coming. Gonna be some